familiar with Jackson. I didn't know whether you were in the Detroit area or where you were.
No, central, right in the middle of the mitten.
Oh, yeah, I know where that is. I mean, I've been there. It's kind of pretty out there.
Yeah, it's a beautiful area. We enjoy it. Okay, I got my live stream going. Okay, Shannon, you can put us on the record.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, good afternoon. We're here today for the swearing in of Thomas Mannion as a new member of the Michigan Bar. Mr. Mannion is present, and Mr. Sean Higgins will be moving his admission. Go ahead, Mr. Higgins.
Yes, I am a member of the Michigan Bar. I have been since 1991. I would move to admit Mr. Mannion to the Michigan Bar. He, I believe, meets all of the character and fitness. He does meet all the character and fitness requirements and has the integrity to be a member of the Michigan Bar.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Mannion, do you happen to have a copy of the oath in front of you?
I don't have it in front of me. I apologize.
Well, that's okay. It's just a little bit harder. I'll go a little slower then to repeat. So I will ask you to raise your right hand. Repeat after me. I do solemnly swear or affirm.
I do solemnly swear or affirm.
I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of Michigan.
I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of Michigan.
I will maintain the respect due to courts of justice and judicial officers.
I will maintain the respect due to the courts of justice. I apologize, to the courts of law
and judicial officers.
And the judicial offices.
I will not counsel or maintain.
I will not counsel or maintain
Any suit or proceeding.
any suit or proceeding
Which shall appear to me to be unjust.
which shall appear to me to be unjust,
Nor any defense.
nor any defense,
Except such as I believe to be.
except such as I believe to be
Honestly debatable under the law of the land.
honestly debatable under the law of the land.
I will employ. For the purpose of maintaining.
For the purpose of maintaining
The causes confided to me.
the causes confided to me,
Such means only.
such means only,
As are consistent with truth and honor.
as are consistent with truth and honor,
And will never seek to mislead the judge or jury.
and will never seek to mislead the judge or jury
By any artifice or false statement of fact or law.
by any artifice or false statement of fact or law.
I will maintain the confidence.
I will maintain the confidence
And preserve inviolate.
and preserve inviolate
The secrets of my client.
the secrets of my client,
And will accept no compensation.
and will accept no compensation
In connection with my client's business.
in connection with my client's business,
Except with my client's knowledge and approval.
except with my client's knowledge and approval.
I will abstain from all offensive personality.
I will abstain from all offensive personality
And advance no fact prejudicial.
and advance no fact prejudicial
To the honor or reputation of a party or witness.
to the reputation or honor of a party or witness,
Unless required by the justice of the cause with which I am charged.
unless required by the justice of the cause
With which I am charged.
within which I am charged.
Never reject.
I apologize, it cut out on the internet a bit there.
Yeah, I've got terrible internet here. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
I reject.
I reject.
I will never reject.
I will never reject. I did not hear it all. Sorry.
I'm sure you didn't. It's fine. From any consideration personal to myself
For many consideration personal to myself,
the cause of the defenseless or oppressed,
the cause of the defenseless or oppressed,
or delay any cause,
or delay any, I didn't hear the last, any
or
cause,
delay any cause
or delay any cause
for lucre or malice.
for lucre or malice.
I will, in all other respects,
I will in all other respects
conduct myself personally and professionally
conduct myself personally, and I didn't hear the rest of it,
and professionally
and professionally
in conformity with the high standards
in conformity with the high standards
of conduct imposed on members of the bar
on conduct imposed by the members of the bar
as conditions for the privilege
as conditions for the privilege
to practice law in this state.
to practice law in this state.
Mr. Mannion, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the State Bar of the state of Michigan.
Thank you.
I'm told to assure you that the paperwork will be in the mail today.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. I really, really appreciate it.
You are welcome. My pleasure.
By
Thank
the
you,
way,
Your
you
Honor.
talked about COVID. I had a bench trial yesterday in a civil case, and the judge told me the bailiff the week before was exposed to somebody with it, and he's in the hospital as of yesterday. So,
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
you know, but you seem to be doing well, and I'm glad it's just a quarantine.
I've actually, had I been 2 weeks post second vaccine, I would not have had to do so. I got my 2 week anniversary occurs next Tuesday, but I'm already pretty well protected.
Yeah,
I think you get almost just as much protection from the first injection of Moderna that you get from the Johnson & Johnson, which is just a single injection.
Yeah,
So yet if I had gotten the Johnson & Johnson 5 weeks ago, I wouldn't have had to quarantine.
yeah.
So go.
yeah, I mean, what I'm
Manny-
told, I'm between number one and number two, and what I'm told is that number one, the first injection will stop you from getting really sick if you contract it.
Well,
And
I had
I
it in
think
November, so I feel a little bit safe.
but they're also saying that what I looked up was that if I'm more than 90 days post vaccine, I would still have to quarantine.
Oh, really?
They're only,
I didn't know
they're
that either.
only, yeah, and I don't know what that's based on. I don't know that they really know. I've heard as long as 6 months protection is what they're seeing from their studies. So why
Wow.
they're limited to 90 days, I don't know.
Hmm.
I think it's so the government can keep its tight grasp upon our personal lives.
I forgot to ask one question. Does this mean I'm not allowed to root for the Buckeyes now?
That exactly.
Mhm.
You can no longer root for the Buckeyes.
No longer.
In fact, if we were actually in my courtroom, I would have to chastise you for mentioning them.
And no longer can I say the team up north.
All right, well, gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. Again, Mr. Mannion, welcome to the bar, and
Thank you.
thank you, Mr. for your part in this today.
And thank you,
Thank you.
Sean. I appreciate it.